Really goodness. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's Christmas time in Mikey's house. So today, we got a lot of stuff planned. It's Christmas Eve today. So we gotta decorate for Christmas and prepare some cookies for Santa. For the first decoration, we had some Christmas lights. So basically, you just take them out of the box, and there's a good amount of little Christmas lights there. You can see all the little light parts right there, and the other parts. So yeah, we can just go ahead and hang these outside now. So first, let's lay out our Christmas lights. This looks like a good spot of jetting, so we're just gonna put them right there. And now we need some power, and it looks like we got some right here actually. So we can just go ahead and yeah, there we go. Get those right back up there. Merry Christmas! Now that we decorated the outside of the house, we gotta put some decorations inside the house. So we got some classic materials to make our snowflakes. So the first thing you want to do is put them all together. So it makes one piece of paper. Just about like this. And then you're just going to fold them. And then so now you can just cut it out the snowflake and open it up and you should be good to go. So using our utensils, we're going to cut out our snowflake. And now for the grand reveal. Merry Christmas! So now it's time to get ready for Christmas by making some cookies. For Santa, I mean me, to eat some cookies. So first you have to preheat the oven to our desired temperature. And we just hit start there, and I think we're good. Let's let that baby sit for a while. Now we need to gather our ingredients for the cookies. So, pretty much what we're gonna need is just some flours and some sugars, and then some eggs. Okay, so to make our cookies, we're just going to take some flours and just we'll make maybe 4 of them. This one's too small. And then we can put some water on them. Let's make them cookie shaped now. So pretty much anybody with some brains know you need eggs for the cookies. So we're just gonna put a little bit of eggs on them. Oops, lost our cap there. And then of course, to make them nice and sweet, just have a little bit of sugar. Really goodness. So now these babies are ready for the oven. Make sure not to obstruct the cookie shape. And just Stick them on in. Ridiculous. Alright, this looks like the cookies are about done. So, oh, get a whiff of that. That smells nice. I love to eat some Christmas cookies. Close that baby up. And so now we have our frosting, and so now just to finish up our cookies, we can okay, so slight change of plans. We're just gonna use this as a plate because it's just as good as any other plate. So we have our frosting, and we're just gonna there's some right there for you, and then for you. Okay, so go to frosting. And now we're gonna finish it up with some kisses. So let's just go ahead and open them up here. And then just stick them on the cookies. Everybody knows that Santa needs some milk with his cookies. So, we're gonna make him some special Mikey milk. With just some milk. And then some Oreo hot chocolate mix. Ready to kiss us, Santa Claus. Alright, so now that Santa can have his snack, we gotta put it where he knows he can find it. Right by the fireplace. Hope he likes it. I lost. I almost forgot the reindeer food. Those little guys aren't gonna get to the night with nothing to eat. So in the spirit of Christmas, I thought I'd make a gift for some people to open up. So we have our box from our lights that we used, and I thought it'd be the perfect thing to put our present in. We can just close that up. And now, of course, because it's Christmas, we have some rabbit. You have to make sure that your wrapping paper is big enough for the box you're using. So you can really, this is where you can show your creativity and have a lot of liberty with how you wrap your present. Now I don't have any bows, but I thought I could shoot two birds with one stone, and I could seal it up and tie a little bow. Merry Christmas! So, for the final step of Christmas Eve, we're gonna put our present under the tree. That card is clearly the best. I think it deserves the best spot of all of them. And it can go right there. Merry Christmas Eve. It's Christmas! I just can't wait to see when everybody's got me. Let's see. We can start over here. No. 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 Well, I guess that's Christmas. For me? Oh my goodness. Merry Christmas, everybody.